From Waste to Wealth, the Business Odyssey. With YouTube Automation, join us on an exhilarating expedition. Bridges the gap between YouTube automation and business prosperity. This video navigates the transformation of overlooked elements and the hidden treasure within you into invaluable resources. Drawing parallels between the discarded and the coveted. Explore the untapped potential that YouTube automation brings to your business, turning mundane content into a wealth of opportunities. Hit that subscribe button and be part of YouTube Automation with AI Power Course. What do I mean by from waste to wealth? Starting YouTube automation business requires more than just computers and internet access. It involves various aspects. Simply relying on computers and the internet won't suffice. Power of YouTube automation in your business. From waste to wealth. These are the secrets behind YouTube automation. And this is because turning waste into wealth is a compelling concept that involves converting discarded or underutilized materials into valuable resources to unlock economic opportunities. Now, I want you to focus on what I'm about to tell you. Listen to me with all your senses, not just hearing, because what I'm going to say should not only make you a new person with all the qualities of successful personalities, but if it doesn't, then you're essentially a walking corpse among people without a soul. I'm sorry for this, but this is the harsh truth. Before we dive into what I alluded to, let me reiterate my apologies if I sounded harsh. Now, focus with me. What are waste and where does it come from? Waste is the materials or items that are discarded or disposed of in an unwanted or inefficient manner. Waste emerges from diverse sources, including humans. This is what we toss aside, or as some might say, the reject of life, the infamous waste. It's like the unwanted gift no one asked for. Essentially, it's the gift you're relieved not to receive. Now, look around your home, and you'll find unwanted items that were recently considered useless and are now part of your home decor. You'll be surprised at how things you once wanted to throw away are now valuable, from discarded to decorative. The transformation of unwanted items in your home from the above mentioned, and without a doubt, you absolutely hold the key to a hidden treasure. The essence of what I want you to know is your waste, which is the worst thing you can produce, can turn into something valuable. For others, certainly, without a doubt. What other ideas can be useful for you and others, even if you're sharing your failures, to help them avoid the path you took? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to spread the wisdom and build a community of success seekers. Inside you, there's a hidden treasure, like talents and expertise in a field or something, but it's been neglected, unused, and turned into trash. It's like having a secret stash of gold, but you've been treating it like it's yesterday's pizza. Now it's time to dig it up, dust off that treasure chest, give it a polish, and turn it into money. It's like finding money in your own backyard, only this time it's the treasure of your untapped potential. Why should I start now? And where does the right beginning come from? If someone tells you that behind this hill there is gold, and you see with your own eyes people coming from behind the hill carrying gold, then it's reasonable for you to believe. As this becomes a trustworthy and untainted source of confidence. True belief is the driving force that propels us towards achieving our goals. When we believe in something, we take strong and clear steps towards its realization. We confront challenges with strength, proving our resilience. To embark on the journey of achieving what we believe in, there is no despair or surrender. Instead, we face challenges with determination and resolve. regardless of the circumstances. Why should we believe? If you didn't believe, you will not move an inch. If you didn't believe, you will not take action. Belief is your compass in the journey of progress. Without it, opportunities may pass by unnoticed. Embrace belief to take confident steps towards a brighter future. So belief is fundamental, is basic to any move that you make now. Without belief, you cannot. Click on this video to watch it. Believe in what? Believe that you hold the key to a hidden treasure yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dreams. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges. Believe in what you can achieve, the strength within you, and the journey ahead. Embrace self-belief and watch as it transforms your aspirations into reality. Genuine. Belief serves as the motivation that ignites our passion, compelling us to move towards our vision. Thanks to this belief, we take powerful and practical steps to transform dreams into reality. We courageously challenge obstacles, demonstrating our strength to build a better tomorrow. There is no room for despair, only challenges to be overcome with determination. As we believe in the inner strength that empowers us to achieve the impossible. Now, I will give you a golden rule. That should never leave your mind for a moment. Just as there is a saying, if you want to change the world, first you must change yourself. I say to you, if you want to change yourself first, you must change what you believe in. As we conclude this transformative journey, always remember, 1, the golden rule, to change yourself, you must first change what you believe in. 2, your waste, once the worst thing you produced, can turn into something valuable for others. 3, decide to start your online work is like finding the key to a mysterious door. And begin not when you have it all figured out, but when you decide to take that first step into the work. 4, certainly you hold the key to a hidden treasure. Explore more profound ideas and insights in the YouTube Automation Business course. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to spread the wisdom and build a community of success seekers.